Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've decided that I can't wait until Fridays to post because I'm so bored, so I'm probably going to be posting a couple more recipes every week plus the Friday video. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan chocolate mug cake, and it's super easy and quick, so let's get started. In a microwavable cup, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of white sugar to your all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add a half tablespoon of vegetable oil or coconut oil. Add a pinch of baking powder. Add 3 tablespoons of any milk substitute, and I use chocolate almond milk, but you can always use soy milk or rice milk or oat milk or honestly anything. Mix it all up and make sure that it's smooth throughout. It is going to be pretty thick, but that's how you're going to want it. Add a tablespoon or more of chocolate chips. Lastly, put it in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I put mine for 1.5 minutes. And you're going to want to make sure that the batter isn't raw, but it's still pretty soft. Top it off with some whipped cream, vanilla ice cream, or even powdered sugar, and it'll taste delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this vegan chocolate mug cake recipe, and I also hope that you guys are enjoying the mug cake recipes overall. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in Friday's video. Bye!